Why not just edit the code in the functions file on WordPress? My name's Andy, I am the Code Rebel, and this video is about why you shouldn't add code to your functions.php file in your theme. Bluntly, it gets updated, and that's why you shouldn't do it, because you'll put a bit of code in, theme will get an update, that bit of code disappears, and you'll be wondering why an old problem's just re-emerged and come back, and that is the short answer of why you shouldn't do it. And if you make a mistake and you get a problem, it's a bit harder to replace the code and recover it there than it is from other places on the WordPress application instance. Both acceptable. Yeah, so I have, unlike me, I've put some notes down. Yeah, if you cause a fatal error, it can lock you out straight out of the admin dashboard. So sometimes it's a bit easier if you're already editing stuff. Make sure you've got FTP access to just get rid of that file or edit it and take out what you've done the mistake. That's it. And I'm going to keep this really short and simple. I'll fade over actually, and I'll show you. It's just what we're doing. Reset Sitekit. No, tools, theme file editor. This here, you can see the theme. It's normally got a little bit of code in it telling you not to edit this file and not to add code here. I don't think this one does. It's probably a bad example. Maybe they just gave up trying to tell people because everyone's going to do it anyway. I've done it. I'm not going to lie. I've done it plenty of times and then wondered why it's disappeared when I've updated the theme. And I couldn't remember what I put in it, so it was digging about again and doing that work all over again. But yeah, avoid making changes there. Leave that as it is. Or you could put a child theme in, I guess, and override it with your own little bits. However, there's better ways, and I'm going to talk about them in the next video. There will be shortly a card to take you to the next video in this one and go and view the next bits. But yeah, I'll go through that and how we should be doing it and a more reliable, better solution, but don't put them here. So yeah, that's it for this one. Just a quick short one telling you not to put code there. Don't do it. Better solution coming. And well, that is it. Thanks for watching. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, buy me a coffee, and I'll see you next time or in the next video.